Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a trade that I took this week. It worked out very well for me. Also, one of the students managed to pass the FTMO challenge, which is a big thing, as you know, and this one trade literally helped them to pass the challenge. And I'll be showing you what I was looking for in the market and what made me take the trade. I'll be breaking it down for you. I'll be starting from bigger time frames, going down to the lower time frames, showing you my analysis, and hopefully this is something that you guys can learn from and implement in your trading. If this is something that you guys are interested in, please get in touch with me. Please drop a comment below. There's also a link to a signal group as well, which I highly recommend, and I've used their signals before and they've worked out great for me. So this is something that you guys will need to try, and hopefully it will work out great for you guys as well. So let's get started. First thing first, guys, please read this disclaimer below. Once you guys have read the disclaimer, please continue with the video, and hopefully we can break this trade down. Okay guys, I'm hoping that you guys have read the disclaimer, so let's get started. So this is the particular trade. I've put a box around it just to make you guys aware of the trade, and also show you my analysis and why I took this trade. Again, I'll be breaking it down as well. So first thing first, guys, as you can tell, your USD is in a downtrend, so it's making low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. It's also, and I've looked at this thing that they broke below these structures behind here. So let me just point it out for you guys. So can you see this structure here? So we broke below the structure, and then this made me think that if we're breaking structures towards the downwards, then there's had 9 times out of 10 the market will continue to go down. A lot of traders, what they do is they'll be buying the lows and they'll begin stop top. But as you guys know, trend is our friend, and I've made videos on this before as well. The way I only trade trades that are in line with the trend and what works better for me. So this is something that I want you guys to follow as well. This is only my advice, like this is only my opinion, guys. So this is something that you guys will have to test, and this isn't a financial advice. This is just to show you what works for me and what has worked for me in the past as well, and what's working with my students. I'm currently mentoring quite a few students from the UK and abroad. So we've got international students from USA, we've got some from the Canada, we've also got some from Hong Kong and Singapore. But that actively that we arrange calls with them, then we go through what their flows and what they're struggling with, and we help them to become profitable traders. Because guys, with trading, the problem with trading is there's no one there to tell us what's right and what's wrong. We're our own boss. What we think is right and what we do, we think is right, but 9 times out of 10 unfortunately it's not. So this is something that I would recommend you guys to you look at something that if you need additional support, then you can get in touch with me, and I'll be offering you the mentoring, and I'll be offering you the further support that you need, and hopefully that will help you overcome your difficulties in the forex market. So let's get back to the topic, guys. If you're enjoying the content that I'm providing, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. So with this one, as you can see, the Euro USD was going down, and it's been going down for a long time. This is when it was going up, but then we broke structures, and we've been making low highs, low lows, and we've been going towards down. So I kept this in my mind, and then this was a Tuesday. So Tuesday is usually a good trading day for me. On Mondays it's usually quite tricky after the weekend, so I tend to just 0.5% risk, or even quarter of a percent of a risk. But on Tuesdays I like to take a position for half, or even sometimes even 1%. So with this particular trade, guys, I saw that we broke these structures below, and I was hoping that the market is going to continue, so which we did. So as you can tell, I put a line below this structure here, and then when the market broke here, it was a London session around 10 o'clock. So what I did was, the break below of this candle here, I've entered on this particular candle, as you can tell. So I took a short position from here. My stop loss was above the structure, just above there, guys. So it was around 42 pips, I think, 43 pips. And then what I did was I aimed for a 123 because my risk to reward is always 123, and I don't trade less than 123. And this did come back trying to stopping us out, but the spread and everything else, it wasn't, you know, it didn't stop us out. So look, we got a bit lucky there, but usually there was a chance that sometimes the market can come and stop you out. But that's why I put my stop loss above there, guys, and I don't go break even straight away. And then this I literally took it out on this particular candle here when I saw that there's a bit of a weakness there, and then I knew the market is going to reverse. Now who knows what the market is going to do after that, so we just literally took it out here. And this was a 1-3 trade. And if you go on lower time frames, you'll see that, you know, the market was following the trend really nicely, and it did take a little bit of a while for this take profit to get hit, but I often got a problem with that, guys. I even hold my trades overnight, so what I do is I literally set and forget and let the trade work out, and literally let the market do its own thing. And this trade worked out beautifully for me, guys. So this was a break of structure trade. Again, this is my trade and it's very similar. So this is one of my 4 strategies that I have. You know, I've got strategies for different scenarios, and this is something that I've tested out over the years, and you know, it's took me a long time to become profitable, but I want you guys to learn, and I want you guys to be on the right side of things. So, you know, hopefully with my knowledge and my guidance, you'll be able to make a difference in your trading. So, you know, guys, just what I would recommend is just stick to your game plan, use proper risk management, and just let the trade play out. You know, candles like this, they scare you and they tell you that, you know, they're coming back to stop you, but I just let it play out. And what the market is going to do is going to do either way. I don't have control over it, you don't have control over it. Unfortunately, no one has control over it. So guys, I would just recommend you guys to just go with the plan, use proper risk management, use your stop losses and take profits accurately, use proper risk to reward, and hopefully this will help you become better traders. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. It'll be a great support. I'm taking a lot of time out of my schedule to make these videos for you guys, just to, you know, help you improve your trading. So my request would be to please like the video and subscribe, and also follow some social media channels. The links are below for Twitter and also Facebook as well as Instagram, and I've also dropped a link below for the Signal group that I've personally used before and I recommend. But again, you know, this is something that you guys will have to try and see how it works out for you. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.